Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup lead tracking in ClickUp, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your lead tracking in ClickUp, begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where your leads are tracked. Locate the specific folder or list that contains your lead tracking data. Click on the folder or list to open it. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the interface. Click on this menu to reveal additional options. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose the format you prefer for the export, typically CSV or Excel are recommended. Confirm your selection to begin the export process. Wait for the data to compile and download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder to locate the exported file. To ensure your backup is secure, consider saving the file to a cloud storage service as well. If you want to back up additional views or reports, repeat the export process for each relevant list. For a comprehensive backup, check any other related folders or lists that contain important lead information. Regularly schedule backups to keep your lead data up to date and secure. Consider creating a routine backup schedule to prevent data loss in the future. Finally, always verify that your exported data is complete and accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.